Hello everyone and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today we're going to do a full body Qigong. This is great first in the morning to really warm up your body, to get your day started, or anytime during the day when you need a quick Qigong break. But before we begin, I want to introduce myself. My name is Kseny and I'm passionate about the practice of Qigong. Here on my channel, you'll find Qigong-inspired videos, breathwork exercises, and meditation to help you feel and do better physically and mentally. And if you're looking for longer sessions, more structured courses that you can follow along and learn something new, consider joining my membership site. I'm going to leave more information for you in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin today's session. Begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Take a moment here to settle in, adjust your alignment, making sure you have your tailbone slightly tucked in, your lower back nice and relaxed, your spine is long, your shoulders relaxed, releasing and opening through the back of the neck as we continue to extend upwards through the spine. At the same time, sinking the weight down, relaxing the hips, and distributing the weight equally on both feet. We're going to begin with a twist and turn exercise. Give way in your knees, relax your hips and your lower back, and simply enjoy this pleasant rotation, that pleasant twist across your hips, across your abdomen, across your lower back. Allow your neck and shoulders to relax fully. Sending that relaxation down your arms. Relax your chest and your rib cage. Relax the muscles of the abdomen. Keeping your spine nice and long at all times. Mentally reaching upwards through the crown of the head. At the same time, sinking down through the hips, through the tailbone. Your feet feel firm on the ground. You feel that connection. Strong foundation through your legs and the lower body. And slowly begin to notice all the physical sensations. Begin to notice those subtle movements in your connective tissues, in your joints, in your muscles. Just pay attention to your body. Very good. Slow it down. Come back to center. Actually, I felt there's something wrong. My foot was a little tilted. I could feel it in my knees. So make sure that you're standing comfortably. There is not a lot of movement in your knees as you do this exercise. From here, we're going to shake the whole body. So I've adjusted my feet. I feel a lot more steady. And we're going to shake loose. Famous Qigong body shaking exercise. So there's a subtle vibration that we're trying to generate through the muscles, through the tissues, through the internal organs, allowing the whole body to wake up and get the fluids of the body moving. Good, just trying to let go and loosen up even more through the neck and shoulders, through the torso, opening through the hips. Feel free to close your eyes. Allows you to focus and pay attention to what's happening internally. I want you to connect your mind to the muscles, to your connective tissues, tendons, to the bones, to the joints. And just feel them relaxing, feel them loosening up. Bring your attention to your spine. Always keep your spine nice and long. Relaxing through the lower back area by dropping the tailbone down so it actually feels nice and flat. Nice bend in your knees. Nice connection through your feet to the ground. We're going to come up on our toes and we're going to activate the feet and the ankles. Continue to bounce, feeling your legs strong, feeling your legs bouncy, activating those muscles in your feet. Good, come back down. Few more seconds here, and we slow things down. Assume the position, immediately dropping your tailbone down, sinking into your hips, extending through your feet, at the same time reaching upwards through the crown of the head. Neck and shoulders relaxed, and just notice the effect on the body of this spontaneous shaking exercise. Good. Let's take a couple of deep, cautious breaths in. And easy long exhale, hands come down the center. And you feel your breath traveling all the way to your feet. Inhale as you open, expand. Reaching towards the sky, greeting a new day. Exhale, settle down. Breathing in. Sometimes this is called a clearing or cleansing breath. So if you feel that you have a lot of stress build up in your system, if you feel any heaviness or any stagnant energy in your joints, use your breath to clear and cleanse as you send all that debris, I like to call them debris, down and out through your feet. Inhale, exhale. So a little bit of the visualization here, breathing in, gathering the good vital energy, and pour it in through your body as we remove any toxins, any debris, any feeling that we no longer need. Breathing in, let it wash over your head and your face, the chest and the back, the abdomen, into your hips. Breathing in, breathing out. Twice more on your own. One more time, breathing in. Nice, good chi flowing down. Bringing you a sense of comfort, relaxation, and joy. Wrap your hands around the lower back, going into the hip rotation. Here you want to find a range of motion that suits you. honoring your body, honoring your abilities and limitations. Maybe it's just for today, making sure that it feels good and you're not pushing yourself too much. So now your hands are bringing that warmth. You may feel it penetrating through the surface of your skin and going into the body. This is quite comforting if you woke up feeling a little bit sore in your lower back area, or you have tight muscles. Very good. When you're ready, change the direction. And one more circle around. Coming back. Assume the position, relaxing into your hips, and then bring your feet together. Relax your hands by the side. Turn to the other side. Inhale as you raise your hands up. Exhale to the other side as you rotate your spine and sinking down. Breathing in, opening up. Breathing out, calming down. At your own pace. The secret here, or the key to this exercise, is to keep your feet on the ground at all times. If you're going down and you feel as you begin to lift up your heels, then you don't need to go as low. So it's important that your weight is equally sinking down. So you're rotating, you're standing up, and then you're going down. So avoid doing this. Puts tremendous amount of pressure on your knee joints, on the lower back. It can damage long term. So going down, even if it's just a little bit, and then standing back up. You're working the muscles, you're working the connective tissues, working the joints. So that's a good place to be. And let's do one last time. Change the direction. Breathing in as you open up. Breathing out, sinking down. Always listen to your body. Always honor your body. And do no harm. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Twice more. Usually we do 6 repetitions in each direction. Last one. And exhale. Come back. We're here to rest. Relax your legs. Relax your lower back. Relax your shoulders. From here, sway your hands overhead and to the side to do this lateral stretch, but also kind of rotate your spine. Just feel like your spine is reaching 45 degrees, opening beautifully. And then sway your hands back, slight bend in your knees, and we do the same to the other side. Very good. Inhale as we open and stretch. Exhale as we come back. Inhale. Very good. One more time on each side. Take your time here. You can even do it slower, coming back, exhaling, relaxing. Very good. Come back to center and let your hands calm down the center of the body to the lower dantian. Step out and close. Take a moment here to relax, to concentrate your energy, to concentrate your attention on yourself and the area inside of your abdomen, below the diaphragm, right at the center of your core. And what it feels to concentrate your mind on that is basically you want to feel the sensations that were not there before the practice. You don't need to visualize light or colors or imagine things that are not there. You want to be present enough and aware enough to be able to feel the very subtle sensations that are happening on your physical body and outside your physical body. Very good. Relax your hands, bring your feet together, and finish your practice. Thank you very much. It was a slightly longer routine, so if you have time during the week or on the weekend, I really invite you to practice it. It's very good for the spine. It gives you that kind of three-dimensional rotation of the spine. So let me know how it goes for you. Let me know if you get to experience what I was talking about, all the beautiful sensations, or Qi as we know it. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel, share with your friends so more people can discover Qigong with your help. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.